Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to batch rename your multiple files folder on your Windows 11 without using any software. Okay, in this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open your file explorer on your PC and go to your file folder section like this. And here you can get the option in the toolbar menu view. Just click on it. From here you need to select details option. Okay, after this guys, just you need to select your all files and folder like this. After this guys, here you can get the option rename in the toolbar menu. Just click on it. Okay, and now you need to give your file name. For example, I am giving tech like this. After this guys, just hit enter from your keyboard. That's it. Or your selected file folder was renamed, as you can see guys, in the same name. So this is the easy and very simple method to do this guys. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.